Here's a heart-touching story about a mother and her son that highlights the deep bond between them. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young boy named Sam. Sam's mother, Clara, was a humble woman, a seamstress by trade. She worked tirelessly from dawn till dusk, stitching clothes for the villagers to make sure her son had everything he needed. Though they didn't have much, Clara always ensured that Sam felt loved and cared for. As a child, Sam didn't fully understand the struggles his mother faced. He knew that Clara worked hard, but his young mind often focused on his own desires, wanting new toys, wanting the latest stories, and wishing for more than what they had. Clara would always smile and tell him, "One day, Sam, you'll understand why we work so hard." As Sam grew older, the village began to change. New opportunities emerged for those willing to leave and seek a better life in the city. Sam, eager for a brighter future and a life beyond the small village, told his mother one day that he wanted to leave and make something of himself. "I want to go to the city, Mom," Sam said, his voice filled with both excitement and nervousness. "I want to learn, to work, and to send money back home. You've worked so hard for me, I want to repay you." Clara, though filled with a mix of pride and sadness, knew it was time to let go. "If this is what you want, my dear, I will support you," she said, her eyes glistening with unshed tears. Sam packed his bags and left the village, promising to come back soon. The first few years were tough for Sam in the city. He faced challenges, struggled to make ends meet, and felt overwhelmed by the fast-paced life. But through it all, he never forgot the sacrifices his mother had made for him. He would send letters and money whenever he could, telling Clara about his progress and his struggles. But one day, a letter from the village reached Sam. This time, it wasn't from Clara, but from an old neighbor. The letter read, "Sam, your mother has been ill. She's not getting better, and the doctor says there's nothing more they can do. She keeps asking for you. Please, come home." Heartbroken, Sam packed up everything and rushed back to the village, feeling guilt weigh heavily on him. When he arrived, he found his mother lying in bed, frail but still smiling weakly. "Mom," Sam cried, rushing to her side. "I'm so sorry. I should have come sooner." Clara, her eyes tired but full of warmth, reached out and gently held his hand. "I'm just happy you're here, Sam. You've made me so proud. Don't regret the time you've spent building your future. I always knew you would do great things." As Clara's condition worsened, Sam stayed by her side day and night, caring for her, just as she had once cared for him. It wasn't long before Clara passed away, leaving Sam with a heavy heart but also with a profound understanding of what true love and sacrifice really meant. Years passed, and Sam eventually made his way back to the city. But he had changed. No longer driven solely by ambition, he had learned the most important lesson of all, that love, especially a mother's love, is the foundation of everything. His success in the city wasn't about wealth or status, it was about honoring his mother's sacrifices by living a life that reflected her kindness, strength, and selflessness. Sam never forgot the lessons Clara had taught him. He worked hard, yes, but he also made sure to give back to his community, to show kindness, and to always cherish the people he loved. Every year on his mother's birthday, he would return to the village, visiting her grave, where he would sit for hours, talking to her about his life, about his dreams, and about how grateful he was for everything she had done for him. This story reflects the emotional journey of understanding a mother's love and sacrifice, and how that love can shape the choices and future of a son. It's a story about growing up, learning, and never forgetting the person who shaped you.